Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to shift between the PHP versions. You see that this is the XAMPP folder, and here these files actually does not here comes here. This Apache normally is in this XAMPP folder, but you see some extra folders: Apache 8.0.15, Apache 8.1.1, Apache 7.4.27. Also you see PHP 8.0.15, 8.1.1, PHP 7.4.27. Actually these are not inside this folder. I downloaded all the separate sections and then pull everything here. I will show you how I did it. I am going to the Google, and then you search for XAMPP versions. So here you will see that there is a sourceforge.net, this website. Okay, I am going to open this website, and in this website you see that here are all the XAMPP versions. I am going to open the XAMPP Linux, or if you can want, you can open XAMPP Windows. I am actually working in Windows operating system, so I will have to open the XAMPP Windows. I am going to click here. After clicking here, you will see that there are many versions of XAMPP. For example, 8.1.4, then you see that 8.0.17. When I started creating the tutorials, then actually the final version was 8.1.1. that is actually here 8.1.1. but now when I am making this tutorial, here there is 8.1.4. So for example, I want to download the 8.1.1, so just click here. Then you will see for each particular version there are many files you see. I will not download the installer.zip because I need the portable version actually. So what I will do, here you will see that in the top there is a portable version, portable Windows. So from here, for example, I download this zip file. Okay, so the download will begin within short time. Let's wait. So this file started to be downloaded. Okay, here I am going to copy this link here, add URL. Let's download it using the IDM. I'm going to cancel it, clear it. Now wait for its becoming downloaded to your computer. Now you see that the download is 100% completed. Now I am going to open it into the folder, and here you see this is downloaded. Now I am going to extract the files here. So extract here, and this portable version is now going to be extracted. Now the extraction is completed, and here you see that XAMPP, and I will not actually run this. What I will do, I will take the Apache folder from here, and I will take the PHP folder from here. Then I am going to my XAMPP folder. Okay, so here I will paste those, but here is also a Apache and also a PHP, so I just from here rename the file. Okay, so I rename the Apache here and to something like 8.1.1, like this way. I rename the Apache and PHP here and put those here. The Apache downloaded is here, that is currently running using the XAMPP control panel. That is actually this Apache folder and this PHP folder. And for all other versions, for example, so you know what I did for the SourceForge, that website, I downloaded the XAMPP for the 8.1.1. In the similar way, you again download the XAMPP for 7.4.0, and you, if you want, you can again download the XAMPP for 8.0.0 or something like that, and you bring all the things here. What is the benefit of doing this? I am going to show you. The current PHP version that XAMPP is running, now I test it. Okay, so in the htdocs I am going to create a file that is phpinfo.php. okay, I am going to php info check, for example, .php. So I create a file here, phpinfocheck.php. This file I will have to run in the server, that means localhost this.php, but there is no code in this file still now, so it is showing blank. Now I am going to open it with my editor here, and now I write some codes here, that is php built-in function php info. Now save this file. What will happen? Now I am going to run this, and you see that the current PHP version is 8.1.1. That means in the XAMPP folder now the Apache which is running is PHP 8.1.1, and the PHP it is 8.1.1. also the Apache is 8.1.1. so PHP and Apache both are running, and that is 8.1.1. now for some reason I need to back, or I need to shift my PHP version of the local server to PHP 7.4. How I can do it? This is very simple. Just delete this folder, delete it. Apache, you cannot delete it until you stop the service, so I am going to stop it. Now I am going to try again. You see that I deleted the Apache folder. Also I will delete the PHP folder from here. So this will be also deleted, and after deleting these two folders, what I will do, I need to go to the Apache. I need to run the PHP 7.4, so I need to work with Apache 7.4.27 and PHP 7.4.27. so I am going to copy this folder here. Okay, I am just going to copy this folder in this location, this one. So I am going to rename this. This is the Apache. So this Apache is actually this one that I copied here. Similarly, this I am going to copy the PHP 7.4.27, and then I will change the name it to PHP. So here I am going to name it to PHP. Now what I will do, I will run the XAMPP, start again. See Apache running, MySQL will run also. Now I am going to refresh this. You see that the current PHP version is PHP 7.4.27. because PHP info check, this is telling that the PHP current version is 7.4.27. If you again need to go back to the PHP 8.1.1, you can do the same thing. You can just delete this folder and this folder, and then copy the Apache 8.1.1 and then name it to Apache again. Similar way, then after deleting the PHP folder, you have this one, you just copy this and then rename it to PHP. So then it will work well, and then again PHP 8.1.1 will run on your local server. In this way you can shift between the PHP versions in XAMPP. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, then do not forget to comment and also share my video with other people. If you still did not subscribe to my channel, then I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.